Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of t if we have t square minus t cubed is equals to 12 and we solve this problem for the values of t. So uh, here you see that this is cubic equation. It means that this equation has three roots. So now here in this question we find all that three roots of this equation. Okay. Now here the very first thing we are going to do is here first we focus in the right hand side, and it will be written as t square minus t cubed is equals to, we write this 12 as 8 plus 4, and here further we write 8 and 4 into the prime factors form. So you see here the prime factors of 8 are 2 cubed and the prime factors of 4 are 2 square. And now here in the next step we move these two terms from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as t square minus t cubed, and this is plus 2 cubed, it will becomes minus 2 cubed, this is plus 2 square becomes minus 2 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here we need to make the pair of cubic term with cubic term and square term with square term. So here we have, this is t square minus this is 2 square, and from here we need to take common negative sign, and we will get here t cubed plus 2 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So now further in the next step, in order to solve this problem, we need two nice formulas here. So in order to solve the first factor, we apply here this formula. You know that a square minus b square equals to a minus b times of a plus b, and in order to solve this cubic equation, this terms we use here the cubic formula, it is a cubed plus b cubed is equals to a plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square. So now here we first solve the first term. So in order to solve this term, we apply here the first formula. After applying the first formula, this term is written as t minus 2 times of t plus 2 and minus. Here we apply this formula, and after applying this formula, this will be written as t plus 2 times of, this is a square, a is t square minus ab. So a is t and b is 2 plus b square, so b is 2 square, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and you see here we have t plus 2 be the common factor. So we will take common t plus 2 and we get the remaining values are here we get t minus 2 and minus from here we multiply this negative sign on each of these values, and it will be written as minus t square, and this is minus times of minus becomes plus 2t, this is minus times of plus becomes 4, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now further in the next step we have, this is t plus 2 times of, here we have this is minus t square, and this is t plus 2t is equals to 3t, and this is minus 2 and minus 4 equals to minus 6, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now further in the next step we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write t plus 2 equals to 0, and the second case is we write minus t square plus 3t minus 6 equals to 0. So further in the next step here in first case we easily get the first root of the given equation are t is equals to minus 2. This is the first real root of the given equation. And now in order to find the other roots, we need to solve this quadratic equation. And here we need to multiply minus sign on each of these values, and it will be written as here we multiplying each of these terms by minus 1. After multiplication we get t square minus 3t and plus 6 equals to 0. So this equation will becomes quadratic equation in t variable. So we know that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, the second is completing square, and the third method is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we solve this problem by applying the quadratic formula. So for applying the quadratic formula, first we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b equals to minus 3, and c is equals to plus 6. And we state the quadratic formula as t is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is the our quadratic formula. And now we substitute the values of a, b and c here, and it will be written as this is minus b, the value of b is minus 3 plus minus square root of b square, b is minus 3 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 6, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is equals to 1. So here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as t is equals to, this is minus times of minus becomes plus 3 and plus minus square root of minus 3 square and minus 3 square equals to 9, 4 times of 6 becomes 24, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And now in the next step we need to focus inside the square root sign, and here we have 9 minus 24 is equals to minus 15, and it is divided by 2. And here we very well know about that when negative sign appears inside the square root sign, so it will become iota, or in other words we write it as 3 plus minus square root of 15 into square root of minus 1, and it is divided by 2. So we write these terms as 3 plus minus square root of 15 into, we write square root of minus 1 equals to iota, and it is divided by 2. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation. So finally we have the three roots of the given equation are, the first root is t1 equals to minus 2, the second root is t2 is equals to 3 plus square root of 15 iota, and it is divided by 2, and the third root is t3 is equals to 3 minus square root of 15 iota, and it is divided by 2. So these are the final three roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.